Okay, so today we're gonna make pancake, and I'm gonna leave the recipe on here for a while so you can pause, and then you don't have to write them down. Okay, so you can pause it, and then that way you don't have to write it down. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna go into ingredients part. You're gonna need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You're gonna need some oil. That's for probably about 2 tablespoons, but depend on you, of course. You're gonna need water, 3/4 a cup of water, but in my case, I actually want a little buttery. Although, if you're lactose intolerant, don't put butter in there. There's no need. You can just rely on oil. But remember, okay, if you want your pancake to taste like a donut, then use corn oil. Okay, corn oil is very important, and I will always tell you in my videos. Then you're gonna need sugar and a pinch of salt. Okay, you're gonna need 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and optional. My grandmother put honeys in hers, and she also put vanilla extract. I like vanilla extract. I'm not putting no honey. I'm actually allergic to honey. So now we're just going to I mix everything ahead of time to speed up this process, and now we're just gonna put the eggs in, because you don't want to you always want to do the eggs later, sort of like in this video. So now I'm just gonna mix it, break it up first, and then remember, okay, this is what she taught me: heat up your water. It actually helps a lot faster. In my case, I put butter, and then I put my water in the microwave. So right now it's all heated. Okay. And she said that by doing this, it actually helps a lot faster. I don't know if that's true or not, because I rarely makes it. She makes it for me. This is actually probably like last time I made it, it was cold water. I'm not gonna run to a microwave just to heat up my water. But if you want to follow my Gram's recipe, please do so. She knows a lot more things than I do. So, but I would just, last time when I made this, I was just being lazy. So if you don't want to be lazy and follow my Gram's recipe, more than welcome to, because she knows more than I do. That's my take on that. Let me put it on here so you guys can see what I do. I mix. I know I should have a whisk, but sometimes whisk actually, I hate the whisk because the cleaning is really hard, you know. So I try not to use them. But okay, I'll let you guys see a little bit what I'm mixing, and then I'm gonna put you all in a tripod. All right, so now mix it really well. Make sure all the clumps are gone. And she is right. The hot water does help. So use a microwave and heat it up a little bit. And it does help with the flour and mixture. See how nice that is? And faster too. I still have a little clumps left, but I think it's down here. Down on the side. I need to. And remember, if you want your pancake to smell good, put vanilla extract in. Also too, there is these things I really love, which I should put them in here, but I already have vanilla in there. I'm actually making one for my grandma and one for me. so I'm not going to ruin the taste for her. But there is actually a food flavoring. You can put that if you have kids. Ooh. Oh my, I'm glad I caught that one. There's an egg thing in there. Eggshell. Ooh. That would be fun, right? Anyway, I'm all set. Now I'm going to pause the video. And then I'm going to put you on a tripod. Okay, so through the magic of pause and heating up, I already have this heat up. And remember, corn oil, okay? Corn oil. I know some people, you know, but corn oil will taste better, I promise. And make sure to whirl it around. Let it heat up a little bit, okay? Sometimes you can see the ripple on it. That's when you know it's starting to heat up. That's how I was taught. And then sometimes if your pot is like really nice, you will see separations on them. That's when you know it's hot as well. So when you know it's hot, it's when you see these little ripples start forming. And then some people actually do this. They take a little drop and they drop it in just to see. So now you see it's there. See how it's there? And this is why I chose this pot. I chose this because it's very easy to pour. Now once you get that hot, turn it to medium heat. Don't let it burn. Not good to have it burn. And drop it like that. I'm going to do half of this for me and half for my grandmother. Now the only thing bad about these, and she mentioned that ahead of time, because there's no butter, it's not really runny. So you just have to help it a little bit. She mentioned that before. I forgot to tell you. Okay. That's one. Now remember, low heat, okay? Now, I'm going to get... Now, once you start... Oh, I forgot. These are the flavoring that I was telling you earlier. They sell all those for flavors, so if you want, get those if you have kids or something. You will want to put that in. Kids love those. I like them. I'm still a kid inside. Now, once you do this, just look underneath to see if this makes sure. And once you see all these forming on the side right here, you see that? Just on the forming on the outside like that, you can flip over and see how nice and golden that is. And remember, we have butter in here too. I like to press them down, not just me, but for you. Although this recipe is asking for 3/4 cup of water, my suggestion, I believe I would change this to a 1 cup. I just don't like the way it's running, but that's just my preference. The other the recipe is actually my grams. You want to change it to do anything you want. It's just that, see how it's not looking really nice? I want that smooth texture. Although there's no milk in here, you're not going to get the smooth texture. So I would suggest to do 1 cup, but that's just me. I'm going to look underneath. Nope, not yet. I'm going to flip it over a little bit. Sometimes I see my gram put a cover on this, but she don't put fully, she just put halfway, and actually that actually helps to do it a little faster as well. But anyway, I guess that's about it for this here. I'm gonna cook another one. Oh, I forgot. And she said that every one of these, when you, after you make it, you have to take a paper towel and clean this off, okay, and put new oil in. And that's why she said that you have to do it every time. You have to do new oil, or else you'll get burned. So you need paper towel. That way you can get rid of the burnt stuff, okay? Please remember that. Other than that, that's about it. Oh, I think I left it a little bit too long. But double check, always double check. This is not too bad. This side is really nice though, right here. See how nice and crispy that is. But other than that, that's about it. I'm gonna clean this off and I'm gonna make the next one. But I'm gonna save you time. Other than that, that's about it on this video. And I hope you enjoy the recipe. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.